Well, it looks like we are done for the day. Wow, it just kind of went really smooth, didn't it?
Dirty hands.
Dirty hands.
Not anymore.
All right, well, it's time to head out. Let's take off. I thought it went pretty well.
So 3.5 people, that's what it took.
So we're heading on home. What is that?
What is this?
It's the same day?
Shit.
We just had lunch. And I thought that I was gonna get a dinner out of this too. We just had lunch. Is it too early for a beer?
Never.
It's never too early for a beer. All right, that's all from us. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.